Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you spend your hard-earned cash on products you actually need. Today, we're diving into a battle of the steamers that will leave your floors sparkling. It's the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop versus the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam All-in-One Vacuum. Let's get steamy. First, let's talk about the price. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop is priced at $99, making it a budget-friendly option for many. On the other hand, the Bissell PowerFresh is at $185, which is significantly more expensive. Reviewers of the PurSteam appreciate its affordability and overall value, often mentioning that it's a great budget option for cleaning. In contrast, while some Bissell users feel it's pricey, they argue its dual functionality justifies the cost, especially for those with pets or larger cleaning needs. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Cleaning power. The PurSteam is praised for being lightweight and chemical-free, making it a great choice for homes with kids and pets. Users have reported its effectiveness in cleaning various surfaces, like kitchen floors and grout. Meanwhile, the Bissell claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and is particularly effective at tackling messes like sand and food spills. Reviewers have noted that the simultaneous vacuuming and steaming feature significantly cuts cleaning time, making it a popular choice for busy households. However, some users mention that the steam power isn't as strong as they expected. Next, let's check out functionality. The PurSteam is celebrated for its 10-in-1 capabilities, allowing users to mop, clean clothes, and tackle wrinkles. Reviewers love its lightweight design and maneuverability, although some mention that certain attachments feel cheap. On the contrary, the Bissell offers the unique feature of vacuuming and steaming at the same time, which is a huge plus for multitasking. However, some users have pointed out that maneuvering the Bissell can be challenging, especially in tight spaces, despite its overall convenience. Lastly, let's discuss accessories. The PurSteam comes equipped with a variety of attachments, including brushes and a squeegee, which users appreciate for their versatility. Reviewers have noted that these tools enhance the cleaning experience, making it feel like a complete package. On the other hand, the Bissell includes microfiber pads and a detachable mop pad tray, but lacks some of the additional accessories that PurSteam offers. While some users feel Bissell has enough accessories for their needs, others wish it included more for a comprehensive cleaning experience. In summary, both products have their strengths and weaknesses. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop is ideal for budget-conscious shoppers seeking versatility in cleaning, while the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam is perfect for those who want the convenience of vacuuming and steaming simultaneously, despite its higher price tag. So there you have it, folks. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop is perfect if you want versatility and a budget-friendly choice. But if you're looking for a powerhouse that vacuums and steams simultaneously, the Bissell is the way to go. Remember, whatever you choose, make sure it suits your cleaning style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep shopping smart and stay steamy.